So it's an amazing thing. Global accounting, I don't know how much it is valuable for us now, but yeah, in some places wherein you have affinity towards foreign countries, अपने यहाँ से काफी लोग बाहर गए हुए हैं, so we can always reach out to them for some global accounting opportunity. All of that is there. So I'm just going to take you ahead on this, and one very important slide that I had spoken to you about
Yeah,
earlier.
since you have talked about global accounting, there is a question on global accounting. You have
हाँ
mentioned about global accounting, how it is possible to get such work.
हाँ नहीं मैंने वो बताया ना.
Question,
It
it's
is
a
not
question
relevant
by
for us.
Rajeshri Jawar.
Okay. Very relevant question, but somewhere I mentioned maybe in this three locations that we are catering to, probably if we know someone who is outside or someone is a CPA through your network, तो ही ये काम बन सकता है. You need to have a association with a CPA, and what you can do is you can always say कि दो ही सॉफ्टवेयर लगते हैं, QuickBooks और एक टैक्स प्रो, या एक और सॉफ्टवेयर. आप सारे TDS रिटर्न उनका कर सकते हो. आप उनके सारे सुपर मार्क्स, क्या होता है यूएस में, यूके में, आयरलैंड में लेबर इज एक्सपेंसिव. तो वहाँ के जो CPA होते हैं, CPA फॉर्म्स होती हैं, they have so many of these clients. They are more than happy to look outside. जिनके पास अच्छा मतलब सिर्फ आपको डेटा कनेक्शन चाहिए, you should come down and explain you, and you must have done a CPA so that you know their tax laws, you know their accounting, and it's very simple. In fact आधा ज़्यादा काम जैसे सुपरमार्केट, वहाँ पर बहुत सुपरमार्केट्स होते हैं US में, आयरलैंड में. So like for example, we have a center, we cater to a US, Ireland, and a Canada accounting and taxation. So what happens is we've got tied up with some CPA firms. वो आते हैं यहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, and it's a very amicable sharing ratio. What happens is we get a dollar billing, which is very 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 powerful. 70 का conversion rate है. So उतने टाइम में you are earning so much more, and it's a system oriented work. Only thing is you need to develop credibility. You need to have a very good face there. Work is sorted out. So you need to know some good people, and someone from your own nearby area who are settled. I think they are the people who can help you the most. So for example, the assignment that we got in Amazon, we got it from one of our contacts like this only. Since we were rising as a forensic audit and a database related firm, helping so many agencies, this relative of mine happened to speak to in one of the forums of what small firms in India are doing, and just like a case study, he spoke about it. And Jeff Bezos was also there in that forum, and all of this was there. And this guy usually, and I gave a very strong feedback about Amazon versus Flipkart. So I told him, in fact, I'll tell you very strongly that go to Amazon.com, you'll have a different experience of Amazon.in. Flipkart is much better in terms of the interface, in terms of the search engine and all of this. So my relative whom I'm talking about, he used to work in the AI team, in the data technology team there in Amazon. So what they do is they are only working on what kind of questions are people asking, what kind of languages. Sir mentioned कि आपने आज सर्च किया, immediately आपको वो दिखने लग जाएंगे. So Amazon में अगर आपने कुछ सर्च किया, so next time on the app you will start finding options or something on this to remind you. In fact कहीं आप Google भी करोगे तो you will get those kind of advertisements. So these are some heavy data heavy artificial intelligence technologies that these people are putting in, and machine learning is something that is they are working on. So all of that happened, and I happened to give them कि sale period था. I remember that time महा बचत सेल और ये सब सेल था जो अभी हुआ है Amazon और Flipkart का हुआ है. You will see a stark difference in Flipkart का बहुत ही beautiful interface है. I can find things, but हाँ credibility वहाँ कम है Amazon के vendor base की credibility. So I gave them feedback, colors, ये वो. And it so happened that we got on a call with one of their teams, and then one thing to other to another. And it's all about the conversation that you have, it's all about skill set that you share, and you can get this. So global accounting is something that happened to us like this only. You need to, if you're interested, you should start talking about it, learn about it more. I'll tell you, in Mumbai, we have an entity called as Eisen Amper. They've got around 200-300 chartered accountants just doing this. You can think about kitna margins is business में. So we can discuss that more in detail. This is the most important slide of my presentation. This is my tribute to all the females out there. ये लॉकडाउन ने मुझे ये तो बता ही दिया है कि we are absolutely not even 10% of what women are. what we can do and what is our power and what limitations we have. And therefore, I didn't cover this image in the second slide of work from home because they don't apply to females, women chartered accountants or women overall, because they do so many of these things. Yeah, as you can see in this photograph also depicting all of this. So really, hats off to all the females out there. Feel proud and the multitasking that you really all are an inspiration to all of us. Now coming to this slide, I don't know, do we have time, Jalaj? I want to talk about this concept that I'm working on. Or Anilji, do we have
Yes,
time?
yes. You can go ahead. Yeah, I can go ahead.
Okay, I hope people are also interested, just like you are. And it is
Yeah.
usually said before the crowd leaves you, you should leave the crowd, and that is the sign of a wise man. So, अगर सब लोग बंद करके जा रहे हैं, तो let me know, Jalaj, in advance, so that even I can suitably, in a respectful manner, put a stop to the presentation. Yeah.
No. You can go ahead.
Okay, okay. So this is something that is not happening, but I really feel, and I feel very strongly if I could work on that for especially for women chartered accountants, and especially for those chartered accountants who are coming after break. So be a maternity break, be a sabbatical, be it anything, whatever. This is one opportunity, and as a regional council member, I'm still working on it, and therefore I've got a platform today, and I'm sharing with all the three lovely branches today. If we could do something on these lines, this can be a very beautiful and a very instrumental thing, not only for female chartered accountants but for CA firms as a whole. The big CA firms, the CA firms in our branches, all of them. I plan to see, or I have a vision to see women chartered accountants being the L&D officer for a CA firm, a learning and development catalyst. While I was in Big Four, we always had this team called as learning and development team. People who are from Big Fours, they would also tell you this that a non-client facing, every big firm invests very heavily in a non-client facing team. And this team has partners, has chartered accountants, has so many other people. So roughly around 1 crore per month is investment is made in a team like this. Coming to firms like us, small SMPs, small medium practicing firms, what do we do? Do we have any system like this? It's all one partner driven or one proprietor driven. How much will you do? How much will you take care of? So here, why can't we have women chartered accountants who has this capability of multitasking, who has the capability, who has an emotional end to her, who has a psychic end to her, who has a power to understand, feel, and also get work done, yeah, very effectively. And at the same time, she doesn't get tired because she does so much of work at her home, and this is nothing but. So if we can get them, so articles management, articles training, she can take care of. She can arrange meetings. HR recruitment, she can take care of. Yeah, very easily she can take interviews, and all of this sitting at home. She can take interviews. She can screen people. Most importantly, standardization of deliverables. जो डिलीवरेबल, जो ऑडिट रिपोर्ट मेरे को भेजना है, फॉर्म लेवल पे स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन होना चाहिए. अगर वो एक बंदा करता है तो स्टैंडर्डाइज हो सकता है. अगर मेरे पास मल्टीपल मैनेजर्स है, मल्टीपल लोग एक काम करने के लिए, तो कभी नहीं हो सकता. ऑडिट ट्रेनिंग टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स, ये ट्रेनिंग कौन दे सकता है? तो इफ वन, हम लोग वो मराठी में है ना, एक मुलगा शिकला तर तो शिकला आणि मुलगी शिकली तर प्रगती झाली, आणि असं काहीतरी असतं. काय माहित नाही मला मला आय एम नॉट गेटिंग इट, बट अ फीमेल चाइल्ड व्हेन एजुकेटेड, द एंटायर फैमिली गेट्स एजुकेटेड. यहाँ पर अगर मेरी एक फीमेल चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, एक विमेन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, जिसको मैंने ये रोल दे रखा है, अगर वो जाके एक अटेंड करती है ऑडिट एश्योरेंस स्टैंडर्ड का सेमिनार, सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स, ये वो व्हाटएवर, believe me, when she comes to train, I am getting an equal training to all the articles, to all the resources in my firm. I am not forcing anyone. मतलब एक वो dedicated मेरे को एक trainer मिल गया है for my firm. I did that in this lockdown. I ensured articles across the region. चाहे छोटा फॉर्म, बड़ा फॉर्म, मुंबई, पुणे, अहमदनगर, जलगांव, लोग, wherever, students come on the same platform, WRC की webinars, free webinars, and 1,000 students at a time. Average attendance was 1,000, and that is why I've done over 50,000 unique man hours of training. My entire focus was that हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हमको एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता, हमको एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता. फाइन, आई विल गिव यू दैट एक्सपोजर, नॉट ऑफ वर्क बट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग. यहाँ पर देखो क्या हो रहा है, ये एक्सेल सिखा रहा है, ये ऑडिट सिखा रहा है, ये पावर पॉइंट सिखा रहा है, ये टूल सिखा रहा है, ये वेज सिखा रहा है, मेथड सिखा रहा है. इफ आई एम ट्रेनिंग दैट आर्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, ये अपने सीए फॉर्म में जब भी जाएगा ना, वो इंश्योर करेगा मैंने जो सीखा है मैं वो करूँगा, क्योंकि उसके बाद और कोई फील्ड नहीं है. when he start doing that, it is a check for a chartered accountant कि am I doing that correctly or not. क्योंकि in the business, in the entire chaos of delivery and getting business and running a firm, overheads और ये सब दुनिया भर के WhatsApp messages, ये वो सब, ये social issues, इतने personal issues, I am not focusing on my ultimate deliverable. So why not outsource it to a group of chartered accountants, a female chartered accountant dedicatedly working on this. Yeah. फिर उसके बाद आते हैं मैन पावर इश्यूज, तो उसको केटर करने के लिए शी इज देयर. तो जस्ट इमेजिन, so I get this service of a female chartered accountant. She comes say 3 times or 5 times or 4 times a week to my office. She's exclusive, and she's so maybe once or twice she can come down to my office, have a physical interaction 2 or 3 times, and most of the time she's available on the whatever dashboard. एक mechanism बना दिया जिसपे she's always there to assist you, to serve you, and all of this. Just imagine, what I'm doing is I'm just paying 5,000 per month for this. Now this female is doing for 1 form, for 2 form, 3 form, 4 form, 5 form, whatever is her appetite, 5 forms. 5 is 25,000. 25,000 right away outright per month, and that too investing only 9 to 5, 9 to 6 kind of a job, because nothing beyond before that, beyond in fact 10 or 11 o'clock maybe, whenever people come in and whatever background work she used to do at home. And then receivables management. Just imagine मेरे को डिलीवरेबल लेना है, मैं क्लाइंट को फोन करता हूँ, मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ अरे फोन करके पूछ उससे यार कब तक बिल देगा, ना वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं क्वेश्चन डाल देता है, कंफ्यूज कर देता है, और मेरा आर्टिकल आके बोल देता हूँ, उसके बाद आंसर नहीं होता है, वो ऐसा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन डाल देता है कि आपने ये नहीं किया तो क्या होगा. मतलब मैं ऐसा मांगने जा रहा हूँ, फीस मांगने जा रहा हूँ, वो मुझे एक और प्रॉब्लम दे जा रहा है, मतलब मुझे काम पे लगा जा रहा है. Now assuming if a women chartered accountant who's doing a chartered accountant person who's doing that, किसी भी क्लाइंट की इतनी वो होगी कि वो उसको दबा देगा, सवाल ही नहीं. So my receivables can improve, office management, HR administration, so all of these things. Main important is my reports and my deliverables. The one who's finally signing off, I get a development and a learning officer at my firm. I work is sorted out. And just think about it, this female is doing it for 5 firms. Look at the amount of intelligence she would get. जैसे हम machine intelligence की बात करें ना, when we are talking about doing this with a particular software, वो software इतने सारे benchmarking लाता है. This is provided by her. और फिर उसके बाद look at one more scenario. She's not one. She's got three people have come together. They've set up a firm. They are learning, and they are imparting that learning. They are developing, and they are ensuring development is happening. Each of them catering to 5 firms. This one firm is catering to 15 firms. 15 फॉर्म का नेटवर्क एक फॉर्म से मुझे मिलता है. कितना जबरदस्त लर्निंग, कितना जबरदस्त स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, कितना जबरदस्त लेवल ऑफ परफेक्शन आ जाता है एज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फर्म. बी द स्मॉल फर्म, यार प्रोवाइडर 5,000 तो दे ही सकता है, 5,000 में कोई रिसोर्स मिलता है क्या पर मंथ? नो वन. हियर इट इज. एंड ब्रेक के बाद आ रहे हो, यू डोंट हैव द हैसल्स ऑफ डूइंग टैक्स ऑडिट्स, क्या अपडेट्स है, क्या इनकम टैक्स में हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ. दैट इज ऑन द जॉब, इट विल हैपन टू यू. You're not signing any audit report, so there's no chance of having any misconduct or any you're training people to do it effectively. आपने चेकलिस्ट बना के दी, आपने ये किया, कहीं और आपने वो देखा, आपने यहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट किया, स्टैंडर्डाइज किया, सबको दिया कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी के साथ, बिकॉज एथिक्स आर हाई and you are here to set up this. So start training, so to do that, branches, and I request all of you, maybe we should sit together and maybe develop a program to train female chartered accountants who are interested in this kind of a role, to get them trained first in HR, management, office administration, benchmarking, all of this small little thing, and then maybe this entire ecosystem. So for example, my firm has been taken care by one female, one chartered accountant. She's doing it, and she's at her home. She's got a baby, but she's doing it effectively. So all of my empanelments are taken care by her. So she does it. She knows what where information is. I don't have to keep getting my files. I don't have to keep divulging it to different people who keep entering my firm. For example, new articles who are coming in. Kya hai, wo dhundo, ye dhundo. So same thing I'm not repeating again. And at the same time, she's cost effective for me. Uh, Brilliant. Malab, this is something come up because of this girl only who came to me. I started doing it, working together, and we built up so many things. Today, she's also so empowered that she can, if she said something to any resource in my firm, it's like a partner who has said, or maybe my word in the firm. And the amount of turnaround that she can do is just unimaginable. The and what I do is I have to exclusively see that she's trained effectively, because once she's trained, all of the office is trained effectively. So it's that kind of thing, you know. So this is one very big concept that I'm working on, and I'm sure very soon, if most of the branches, and today I've got 3 lovely branches with me, the MCMs here who are there. Maybe if we could work on this very effectively and organically. So there is no ownership criteria here. Most of them would stand up and say, "We have done this, we have done this." Let me tell you, friends, there's no ownership. There's only empowering criteria. Wherever it is happening, maybe one very soon, I don't know, now this year or maybe whatever, I'm still figure out correct people making that course. And if we could roll it out from here, I don't know how many takers will I have. I'm just hoping that we get more and more people, and we could help more and more female chartered accountants into all of this. So this is one just idea that I have. And coming to this forensic audit, these are some slides that are only there to how to do it. This is a new opportunity which is there, ASM, Agency for Specialized Monitoring. Now here is a very big opportunity for all these CA firms, young chartered accountants especially. Attach yourself to that one ASM agency. You never know if any account which has 250 crores and above, if you have somewhere in your own area, find out who's a banker, who's that, and reach out to one of the agencies saying that we can get this ASM assignment, bid for it, we want to work with you. So get an assignment for them and start working on them. So every time, so for example, we are working in engagements near in Akola to Amravati belt, we are working there. So we've got CA firms there working for us. Yeah, we've done Nagpur, Wardha, so many other places. So we are, of course, we cannot be there, right? So that is where we have chartered accountants doing this. But this is one big opportunity that's coming, friends. Look out for it, and it's very remunerative and it's very responsive. Stand up to this opportunity and look out for. There are only 75 or 100 firms now who are empaneled to be an ASMs across India, wherein we have around more than 4,000 accounts which are having borrowings about 250 crore. So 4,000 divided by 100, you get per entity. I think that is a signal for me to end also. But but just talking about this ASM thing very effectively.
Where is this empanelment for this Agency for Specialized Monitoring?
It's done by a association called as IBA, Indian Bank Association. They've already done this empanelment, and all the big, so not all firms have qualified. So there have been various rejections. So over 500 plus applications that they received, only 100 have been shortlisted. And I'm one of them, so I know a lot about ASMs, and we're doing a lot of work in that also. Comes with a very strong scope of work and a very vast responsibility. So you should look up to this. This is a very big opportunity just come in, and anything more you can please feel free. So these are some of the things that you need to do for ASMs. So this is IBC I was talking about. Claim verification is a very small thing that always comes in. So any CA firm should help. So anyone who knows RP, stay in touch with them, get work like this, support an RP. Young chartered accountants work for an RP because they are usually short power, they have a very short manpower. So compliance is local support, market intelligence, filing, manpower. So all of these are there. They need all of this help in an RP. Valuation, I've told, licensing with banks and stakeholders, transaction audit is a very specified field. So first up, you can get a chance of doing a forensic audit by if you do a transaction audit. In the last, I have some good lines to share with all of you. Not the entire poem, but I'm just gonna say some lines. डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है. Sindhu means any ocean. Sindhu is the deepest river, so maybe any ocean I'm talking about, any river, water body, जहाँ पे pearls are getting cultivated. So डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है. तो जितनी बार भी वो जाता है हमेशा खाली हाथ ही लौट के आता है. मिलते नहीं सहजी मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. तो ये मालूम है कि मोती गहरे पानी में मिलते हैं, बट जरूरी नहीं है हर बार जब भी वो जाए उसको मोती मिले. तो मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, पर फिर भी बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. क्यों नहीं मिला मुझे? मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई है देखो और सुधार करो. For all the chartered accountants here, I'm not saying you're unsuccessful, but I'm saying if anywhere you feel that you have not been able to deliver, you've been failed, असफलता एक चुनौती है. Take that as a challenge. इसे स्वीकार करो and accept it, realize it. क्या कमी रह गई है देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. So one of the lines that I mentioned up, never, don't quit, don't say no. If once you've taken it, finish it. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Anyways, thank you for all for giving me this opportunity. Contact details. If at all I've made relevant to you, maybe you can drop me a line or something, a feedback. I'll be more than happy to get some feedback from all of you. And I hope the time that you have invested with me today, you would have got some output, some value add. And I just hope we all stay safe and work together. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Arpit. There is one question also throw light on blockchain technology. There is in opportunities this blockchain was not mentioned.
But I don't see it as a opportunity yet, because we are not matured enough to get into blockchain as of now. And it's something, it's in a very nascent stage. Perhaps well, I don't know. I'm not saying that there is no potential of this, but I'm saying I've seen blockchain. So when I was in US and Amazon and all, so I've seen the incredible stuff that they happen. And I'm telling you, an entire bank audit of a very big bank, bigger than an SBI, has happened in just 38 hours by blockchain. So बहुत matured है वो concept. I probably haven't found out we being capable of having this opportunity, but I don't know if someone gets behind it, starts working on it. Just like after leaving Big Four, I was 6 months doing nothing, working on some concept that I was helping people. It worked out. So if someone has 6 months to start working on blockchain, so probably you can do it. But believe me, one thing is blockchain is you repeat some steps again and again, and with every step you learn something, and then you bring that machine learning to it. That is how it is blockchain technology.
Yes. It's one more question is asked. Technology, no doubt, it's very helpful for chartered accountants, but it will take some. It will take away some opportunities. Some work, it would possible to get some work.
No, true. But एक चीज आपको बता दूं, if you know how to be relevant, Jalaj, if you can be mute, थोड़ा आवाज आ रहा है.
Yes sir.
You can be a little mute.
Sir, आपका PPT चाहिए सबको?
नहीं वो ठीक है. I'm just answering
yes,
one question. थोड़ा सा disturbance हो रहा था. So what I'm saying is, technology no doubt is helpful, as you said rightly, but I'll tell you, you need to know how you can be relevant into this, and you can use technology to build in more business. Just like I gave you an example of how this person went back to his hometown and started working with local vendors there to build a bigger business, grow their business. So all this virtual CFOing and all of this can really do wonders. Just think about it. Why is it that a chartered accountant has not found something called as a clear tax website? जस्ट सोचो आप, एक IITian आया, उसने बोला कि मैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाता हूँ, वहां से मैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट करता हूँ, वहां से मैं सब लोग को बुलाता हूँ कि आप अपने टैक्स रिटर्न्स दो, मुझे अपना फॉर्म 16 भेज दो, सब कुछ कर दो, क्योंकि मेरे साथ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में ऐसा हुआ था कि मैंने सीधा एक फॉर्म 16 भेजा, रिटर्न फाइल हो गया था। तो मैं वेबसाइट बनाता हूँ जिसमें मैं सब लोग को बोलता हूँ फ्रीली आप आओ, मैं आपको करता हूँ। और मैंने पीछे बैक ऑफिस में चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को बैठा दिया कि तुम जो काम मैं दे रहा हूँ वो करते जाओ। क्लियर टैक्स वेबसाइट बन गया। और मुझे मालूम है कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को मैंने एक डेटाबेस दिया तो उसमें से काम कैसे निकालना है, आई हैव टू जस्ट इंस्पायर देम, एक मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर लगाना है, वो अपने आप काम निकालेंगे उनसे। तो LTA आ गया, HRA आ गया, आपको ये अग्रीमेंट बनाते हैं, आपको वो बनाते हैं, आपके लिए ये करते हैं, आपके लिए टैक्स रिफंड आ जाएगा, आपका ये हो जाएगा, आपका टैक्स थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं। तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स काम करने लग गए, और वो जो काम करने लग गए उनकी तो फीस बनी, पर दैट इज द मिनिस्क्यूल अमाउंट ऑफ फीस। मैक्सिमम फीस बनाई किसने? वो IITian ने, वो प्लेटफॉर्म ने। उसकी वैल्यूएशन क्या हो गई? आज वो टेक्नोलॉजी में आ गया। टू सो आई एम सेइंग इनरोड्स टेक्नोलॉजी से ही होगा। तो राजश्री झंवर जी, जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, आर देयर एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर सीए इन डेटा एनालिटिक्स? देयर इज एन नंबर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, देयर इज अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी। जैसे आज बताया कि डेटा, अभी पीपल आर एनालाइजिंग डेटा। For example, we are analyzing trends in data of for education for a company. सिर्फ आपको ये एनालिसिस करना है कि हाउ इज दिस, मतलब डेटा आपको लेना है और उसमें एनालिसिस करके देना है, प्रेजेंट करना है। स्मॉल लिटिल कॉन्सेप्ट, इफ यू नो अबाउट ब्लॉकचेन और डेटा एनालिटिक्स, बिग डेटा को कैसे माइन करना है, क्या टूल्स यूज करना, we can do wonderful. And telling you, we don't need high literate people. Very easily you get these kind of people who can, or maybe you invest into people to let them learn technology. In fact, to all the people who are here, if at all you have any person who has left on chartered accountancy, or who has stopped doing CA, or maybe has given up on CA, or is someone in your office, if someone, any person is there who is doing a very low job, please inspire him, encourage him to learn technology, app development सीख ले, coding सीख ले। if वो भी सीख लिया ना, I'm telling you, he can do wonderful. ऐप बनाना आज इतना सुपर काम हो गया है, मतलब my 6-year-old kid, he is learning how to make an app through White Hat Junior, as I said, coding सिखाओ आप। तो it's something incredible. In fact, अमरावती में हमारे अमी जी का लड़का है, he is developing fantastic apps, phenomenally he is doing well. So many things are happening. So please inspire, encourage, and catch up on technology. Start knowing and stay away from scroll. अगर आप स्क्रोलिंग से दूर हो गए ना, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको जितना टाइम मिल जाएगा, you can do something wonderful in this recent opportunity. In fact, the opportunity I've highlighted, हर चीज में you can dig and dive to get some more opportunities. There are people who are looking for data, get source of data, and you can mine a big data. You are a very, very resourceful person for all of them. So
Thank you.
before people could leave us, Jalaj, I think I have bored so many of them. I don't know.
There are
Yes. Please
people are
share
living the time for dinner.
Yes.
That's why.
और श्रावण भी है, तो उपवास किया होगा लोगों ने। अनिल जी को भी
हम सब तो घर पे, आप ऑफिस में हो, आपको घर पे पहुंचना है, आपको टाइम लगेगा अभी आधी घंटा पहुंचने को।
Yes.
You all are at home only.
है, वो थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा, but I think I had a very, very
It
wonderful
was a
time.
nice session. Thank you very much. Definitely. Young chartered accountants have gained a lot. I am getting n number of kudos and very nice session. You can also see it. Thank you very much for giving your valuable time to Akola, Ahmednagar and Kolhapur branch. Somehow Kiran Bhandari could not join us due to technical issue in his laptop today.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Chikode sir, you want to add something?
Very much. Yes, thank you very much. As RPJ rightly said, that with the help of technology, he was present today at 3 places at a time. This is the beauty of the technology. As you rightly said, at every moment you should be get ready for the breakthrough. No one can know when the breakthrough will happen. That's why everyone should get ready for the breakthrough. You already told that I on behalf of all the branches, I congratulate you for publishing work from home brochure of WRC. And I already told you that my principal Shirish Pade has helped in this work from home brochure. Yeah, everyone will be get benefited for this work from home because of this COVID pandemic. Everyone is required to work from home and get the data from clients' places. No need is required to go to client's place, and even we ABM and LLP, ABM and Associates LLP are auditor of statutory audit of LIC. The total of the balance sheet is 33 lakhs crores, and we have completed the audit of zone which sitting in our offices at Kolhapur. We have got the data from all the divisions and from zone and completed the audit and signed 2 days back. Yeah,
Phenomenal.
because of this technology, we have now learned that how to use number of tools which are available. That's Microsoft Team, Slack, and Skype and BlueJeans also. There are good software which are available for us with so many number of softwares with very less price. Even
Yes.
For less features without any cost, we are using such kind of software. Just remotely accessing all the data from clients' places. There are a number of opportunities you are told about the forensic audit, of which we are passionate about, and insolvency and bankruptcy, stressed assets, succession planning, networking and global accounting, virtual CFO, women chartered accountant. There's a good thought you are told about. Everyone should facilitate this kind of this agency for specialized monitoring. This IB is one of the agency who empanelment such kind of things. We on behalf of all the members present here and Kolhapur branch, Ahmednagar branch and Akola branch are thankful to you and Anil Bhandari sir for enlightening us on various topics for opportunities and going ahead for our profession. Thank you very much, and thank all the participants for joining this VCM and looking ahead for more such kind of seminars. And RPG, after completion of this lockdown, we want you to be present at our branches for good lecture. Thank you very much.
I'm more than happy. I've got some feedback. I've got some feedback on forensic audits. So if at all anyone is interested and the branch feels, we can have a detailed discussion presentation only on forensic audits. And I'm telling you, friends, forensic audit is something that you can do it right away in your capacity as any auditor. You need not be a forensic accountant or you need not be a forensic auditor, but you might as well do it very effectively. So we can, if at all given a chance, maybe we'll talk about that as well whenever the branches would feel. So I'm more than happy if we could do one session on forensic audits anytime.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We will definitely
session on
have a
forensic
session in coming days.
No, absolutely, and great work done by all of you. Kudos, stay safe, and spread happiness the more you can. You never know what is gonna strike us soon. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity, all the branches. Look forward to interact with you again. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Good night, everyone. Thank you, Jalajji and Kiranji in absentia. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.